Hi guys, so I'm coming at you today with a quick get ready with me 15-minute makeup tutorial because I am always late and I am always rushing to get ready. But first I'm going to start off with a little bit of foundation. Then once I've got that applied, I'm going to go ahead and use my finger to kind of spread that out and warm it out over my face so that it makes it a little easier to blend in. Once I've got all my foundation blended in, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro concealers. I'm going to go in with a shade that's about one shade lighter than my skin tone, close to the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to go in with a brighter color underneath my eyelids, and I'm going to blend those out. I don't want it to be too dramatic because, like I said, this is 15 minutes. We don't have time to blend all the foundation and stuff out. Next, we're going to start on our eyes. I'm just taking this neutral color and blending it into my eyelid. It's going to serve as a transition color for the rest of my colors that I apply on top of it later. This is where I'm going to take a lighter lid color and just pack that onto my lid until I deem fit. It's just a lighter color to make my eyelids kind of pop. Later on, I'll go ahead and apply another lighter color under my brow bone to make my brows pop. Next, I'm going to go in with a deeper color than the transition color, and I'm just going to concentrate that on the edge of my eyes and into the crease. Now we're getting to the brow highlight. I believe this is the same color that I applied to my lid. I'm just going to apply that underneath my brow bone where the arch of my brow is. Now at this point, you can leave your eyes as is, but I did feel like that deeper color that I applied wasn't giving me enough coloring, so I went ahead and applied a little bit more of it and blended that out. Next, I'm just going to go in with this liquid liner. It is a felt tip, so it's kind of like a marker. I do find that this goes on a little bit easier than other liquid liners or maybe even gel liners. As always, I do like to add a little bit of shadow underneath my, on my bottom lid, just to bring a little bit of dimension into my look, bring it all together. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. Actually, not a little bit, quite a bit. I use 2 or 3 coats of 2 different mascaras. I have really small eyelashes, so I'm not overcompensating over here. Now that I've got my eyes all together, I'm going to go in with a little bit of contour. This is a powder contour, and I'm just using a kabuki brush to blend that out. Make sure you do that on both sides. It's just going to slim your face out a little bit and make your face look snatched. Now Now to add a little bit to that contour, make it pop, make my cheekbones look a little better, I'm just going to go in with a lighter powder underneath that contour and blend it out. I'm going to bring that from my ear all the way to my mouth, and then I'm just going to blend that out with a little bit of overall powder just to make it all transition well into each other. And this look is pretty much done. I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of lip gloss, and then we're gonna move on into this puff tutorial. It's really quick. Like I said, I'm late, so we're gonna get this done ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf, and I'm gonna apply my headband, pull that on up over my head. Just make sure it's not too tight. And then, as you can see, I do have a little ring of foundation around where I have my scarf. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that out a little bit. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need to make your puff pop are going to be a pick. You're going to need you a toothbrush to lay those edges, and your EcoStyler Gel to just make everything lay down. I'm just applying a little bit of EcoStyler Gel to my edges, and I'm going to take my toothbrush, and I'm going to start laying those edges down. I'm not doing too much because I don't have time. Here I'm just using my pick to lift up and pick the roots of my hair. This is just going to make my puff a little bit larger. It's wet right now, so once it dries up, it's going to shrink. But this is the finished look. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it.